Bro, how we can differentiate between positive negative feedback of homeostasis?
So homeostasis. First you should know what is homeostasis. Actually, homeostasis is nothing but it's actually the balancing of the constant internal environment of our body. Suppose if any changes come, our body try to resist it and to reach the normalcy or normal function of the body. That's the homeostasis. So in homeostasis, and there is some components of homeostasis. What are they? First of all, suppose if any signal comes to our body, first it's sent by receptors of our body. So first component is receptors, then it go to the nerve signal, then it's reach to the control area. From control area, they again go to the effector by the motor nerve signal. We already know that. So these are the components. What are they? First of all, it is receptor, controlling area, and effector. So these are the components of the homeostasis, and there are two mechanisms that control our homeostasis. First is positive feedback and negative feedback mechanism. So what is the difference between negative and positive feedback mechanism? Generally, in negative feedback mechanism, in the name itself, we can understand that it's maintains, homeostasis is maintained in such a way that our body try to resist the changes or our body try to reverse of the changes. Okay, that's the negative feedback mechanism of the homeostasis. Suppose if we say that examples, suppose we are thirsty, so our body is dehydrated. So what can do our body to prevent this thirst? Our body try to dehydrate. So the thirst is increased because it affects on the thirst center of our hypothalamus. So the thirst is increased and our body try to intake waters. In that way, our thirst is fulfilled. And another thing is, as the hypothalamus is initiated through signal, it secretes. Actually, it's send a signal to pituitary gland that secretes. In posterior pituitary, there is secreted ADH or antidiuretic hormones. What's its effect? Actually, its effect on the kidney, PCT, DCT, that helps to reabsorption of the water or retention of the water of the body, so that our thirst or our dehydrations cannot increase. So it is the mechanisms of under homeostasis. These are the examples. In that way, suppose TSH, if the TSH, the thyroid stimulating hormone, is low in our blood, it initiates signal to hypothalamus, and hypothalamus then again signal to the negative signal to the pituitary gland, then it's increased TSH. In that way, our negative feedback of the homeostasis is maintained. Then what is the positive feedback mechanism? Why it's called positive? In positive mechanism, here the changes occur in such a way that the intensity of the changes is